Hello, today we will guide you through how to promote a Facebook group with Facebook ads. To get started, open Meta Business Suite that is in your browser. From the left-hand navigation, head into Ads Manager. This is the workspace where you'll create and monitor your campaigns. Once Ads Manager loads, make sure you're on the Campaigns view so you can see your existing campaigns and create a new one. Create a new campaign by selecting the Create button. When the objective screen appears, choose Engagement. This objective is designed to help you reach people who are more likely to interact, which is a strong fit when your goal is to spark interest in a Facebook group. After selecting Engagement, click. Continue to move forward, you'll land on the initial setup screen for the campaign. Here, you can keep the default settings if you're just following along, or you can name the campaign in a way that makes it easy to identify later. When you're ready, click. Continue again. Next, proceed by clicking next to move into the ad set level, where you'll confirm a few important settings related to how people will interact with your ad. In the ad set, find the conversation option and open its dropdown. This control determines how people will engage once they click on your ad. For group promotion, you'll typically want a frictionless path to connect and ask questions, so reviewing this setting helps make sure the interaction type supports that goal. Opening the dropdown here simply lets you see and confirm the intended destination for conversations. Now select the Facebook page that will run the ad. Ads on Facebook run from a page, not directly from a group, so your page acts as the public face for the promotion. If you don't see the right page, make sure your page is set up and connected to your account before proceeding. Once the page list appears, choose the page that best represents your community or brand, so people immediately recognize who is inviting them to join the group. When everything looks good, publish your work. Clicking Publish sends your campaign through Facebook's review process and activates it once approved. As your ad begins delivering, remember that clear, friendly copy and visuals that highlight your group's value, such as what members learn or the kind of support they get, tend to improve engagement. Keep your message focused on the benefit of joining and be consistent with your page's tone and branding for trust and clarity. That's it. You've created an engagement campaign in Ads Manager to promote your Facebook group and are ready to welcome new members.